Today, we're upgrading our 2018 GMC Canyon Duramax with the Duramax Tuner Stealth DT44 turbocharger. We'll show you the key highlights of this install and dive into the benefits of this powerful upgrade. To start, we need to remove the intake and the engine cover to access the turbo. In this case, we're working with an S&B intake, which already helps improve airflow. Here's a look at the stock turbocharger. While it performs well, the Stealth DT44 offers significant upgrades in power and reliability. Side by side, you can see the differences between the stock turbo and the Stealth DT44. The larger compressor wheel and improved housing design give the DT44 a performance edge, providing smoother power delivery. Now here we have the Stealth DT44 turbo. Designed with better airflow and faster spool times, this turbo is built to handle more power while maintaining drivability.
So I did an install on this truck. I put the Duramax Tuner DT44 turbo in it. It was really straightforward. Only a couple tools that you might need, like a crow's foot. Very accessible. They give you all the parts you need, extra studs, nuts, gaskets. They have a very good install video online, as well as the instructions. The turbo made a huge difference in this truck. Before the tuning and definitely after the tuning. We used their tuning and their upgraded map sensor, which really brought this truck alive. Low lag, tons of torque down low. It actually runs like it should have from the factory.
With the Stealth DT44 installed, this GMC Canyon is ready to take on more power and deliver a smoother driving experience. To learn more about this upgrade, visit DmaxStore.com or click a link in the description.